Hi guys, welcome back. Right, today we have a box. Right, I need to give you a bit of a background story on this because it has been the best laugh over the last couple of weeks. This is a box from my good friend, David Wurzel. I've sent him my Mature Male Green Bottle Blue, and he kindly said that he was going to send some slings my way. So I thought, awesome. But in that conversation, he said, actually, I'm going to send a good pal of ours, both of ours, Carl Tremine, some slings instead, as well, as a surprise. So he's going to send them to me. And he goes, oh, don't tell him. It'll just be a little surprise. So I took about 3 seconds to actually realise that I could have a little bit of fun with this. So I sent Carl a message and said, oh, I know something you don't know. And basically for the last 2 weeks, I've been winding him up because he doesn't know where these are coming from, who they're coming from. And he's very much like me. He hates not knowing stuff. I mean, when I put orders in for the Spider Shop or stuff, I want stuff there. I want know what I'm getting exactly. So it has been brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I've been screenshotting all our conversation with Carl's been like begging for me to tell him when they're coming, what's in the box, but I've managed to keep a secret right up until yesterday when I called him yesterday and said, right, I know confirmation and delivery, and actually slipped up and said it was today, but he still doesn't know what's in here. So what we're going to do, we're going to unbox my bits, and then we're going to zip over to Carl's, and he's going to unbox his bits with his, I think Dave's put a little note in here for him as well. So let's have a look what's in here for me. Cheers, guys. Right, so I'm proper excited about this one. So I have no idea. I know a couple of what's in here, but apart from that, nothing. So it's all a mystery. Well, some of it is. A lot of it is a mystery for Carl. Well, almost. Yeah, everything is a mystery for Carl. So we have one from me. And I think there's one. This one will be for Carl in a separate box. Awesome. Right. Let's have a look inside the box in a box. Spongy. Oh, look at all this, lots, love it. So if we can, we've got 2 skeleton legs, 2 hatties, a Darlene, which I haven't got, and this, awesome. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new additions. Awesome, dude, man. You're so awesome if you have a look at all these little guys in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to set up some little pots and bung them all in. But, oh, that is awesome. Thank you, mate, so much. You are super awesome. And they all look absolutely spot on. All cool. Nice one, dude. Thank you very much. So we're going to start off with the skeleton legs first. I've been waiting so long one of these. When I did my catacombs build, I was actually thinking about putting like an adult female in there. So, but at the time there was none about, so these are going to be handy, these little stickers. So we know what's what. So what we're going to do now is see if everybody's going to behave, or if we're going to get any bolties. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Oh, that's well cute. Right, dude, in you go. These are like really nice webbers and everything, so they'll fit right in with me. I love my heavy webbers. So, number one down. So it's got plenty of sub in there. Right, next one. Same again. Awesome, it's like Christmas. I ain't had this many spiders come in for ages. Certainly boosted the old collection up a little bit. So, there you go, done there. That's it. Crawly, crawly, crawly. Where you going? There you go. Look at that one. Beautiful. Nice, calm little spider as well. Yeah, I don't think he wants to go in the pot. There you go. Oh, you little git. There you go. No, yeah. There you go. Right, where's that leg? Get it shut, quick. 2. Right. Next. Next. Just about had enough little small pots. I think I'm going to need to get some more actually. Now, hatties, these can be bolty. But they're like tiny actually. So I might put them in another one. I can put that one there. Horn baboon. I love my horn baboons. I haven't had any for ages, like years and years. But they're like awesome feeders, absolutely awesome feeders. So, and can be a little bit bolty. Really sort of aggressive spiders as well. So, but this one looks like it's going to do a bit of a bolty. Yeah. There we go. Right, hang on a minute. Try and get him in this one. See, quick, bolty. There you go, that's another one in. Another heavy webber. If you're looking for old world heavy webbers, go for that one. And we've got these ones, which I don't know too much about. Here we go. Another bolty one. Here we go, right. Here's just going to be quick and bolty, I think, today. We're moving quick on this one. What we've got left, it's a hatties. They're quite small, you see, so I might put them in actually in a vial rather than one of these tubs. I don't know. You gonna play ball? Yeah, playing ball. Yes. Right. Next one. Next and last. Well, this is another one of the same. These things do my head in, these little things. Here you go. Right, lid on quick. Right, so with the hatties being smaller, I'm going to bung them in a while, but if you can see down there, I've made just a little starter burrow with the tip of a paintbrush like that. So hopefully when they run out, they'll run straight down there. I believe these are the Hattie purples, which are beautiful spiders once they get bigger. But yeah, they do like to burrow, so you don't actually see them a vast amount, but these guys are like proper tiny. We've been waiting for these to molt out of their eggs with legs stage, so he's just stuck on there. Go on, off you go. There you go. That's in, so you have to see how tiny that one is. Looks like it should be molting again soon, actually, which is a bonus. These are quite fast growers, actually. They don't take that long. Right, last one. We'll stop it on this one and then we'll have a look through them all. Right guys, now we've got a little bit of light on the whole situation. Let's have a little butcher's. So if you can see that one. These are the bolty ones, so we won't be looking that much into it. And there's E. Maronis, which is just down there. That's a stunning little tea, that is. That is really beautiful. Absolutely stunning. We won't go through them all. We'll just show you the different types. We've done that one. Then done that one. The hornboon. Let's have a little butcher's. That is cool. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave them. I've got my feeding day tomorrow. So we're going to leave them to settle in tonight. And then try and give them a little feed tomorrow. Thank you very much, mate. I'm well chuffed.
Alright, let's have a look at this bunch of bastards. Carl, happy birthday, old bean. Hope you enjoy your special day. Surprise, surprise. Hope it was worth it. I hope it was worth the wait. Haha. Have a great day, pal Wurzel. You fucking bastards. You bastards. Fucking bastards. Fucking strong coffee. Alright. You fucking bastards. It's going to be strong in there, isn't it? Whatever's in it is going to come out with fucking bang, right? I'm just going by the box. Shit. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Let's have a look in here. Oh, awesome. They're brilliant species as well. Oh, wow. They're fucking angry and all. What's this? Oh, little darlingy. Oh, I got another one. Oh, that's brilliant. I love the darlingy. Angry little fuckers. Who's this? Oh, awesome. Another one. Oh, mate, that's going to be pure fucking anger, isn't it? They're all going to be angry little bastards. They're all going to run out at me like fucking angry fuckers. Oh, I hate you. Oh, brilliant. Do you know what? Right, I've got 2.
Yeah.
I have 2, and they're both unsexed. So I'm hoping that would be good if it was a female or something, wouldn't it? And who's this? Hey, another little OBT. Look at that.
That's not an OBT, mate.
What is it? Wait, Uranus. No, it's not. It's not. It's the fucking skeleton leg, little fucker. Oi! Mate, love you. Mwah. You still got to send me that fucking chicken, though. Oh, love you. The Uranus. Oh, mate.
You remember that, like, post he done on Facebook, what was it, last week? And I said, Carl, we need these.
You fucking bastards. You fucking bastards.
I knew it already.
You little shitbags. You little shitters. Thank you so much, mate. That is lovely. Mwah. Big.
I'm absolutely overwhelmed with that. Thank you very much, Dave. You are the man. And big fingers crossed for the mature male green bottle blue. Let's hope this one is a total ladies man. He also had my lowland sub-adult male sent to him for a future breeding. So hopefully he'll get there as well in the end. But as you can see, Carl was well chuffed. It's been an awesome wind-up for the last 2 weeks. And, yeah, I've enjoyed every single minute of it, to be honest. Yeah, there's one of those, you know, you got that actual little git inside you. Right, but the next video, this one here, Friday the 13th, this will be the next build. So I've ummed and ahed and thingied, I'm just redoing it. So what we're going to actually do is we're going to skip that completely. I'm going to do a different build in there, totally altogether. We're going to remove the mask and we're going to build it in a big 45 high Exoterra for some sort of nasty, gnarly pokey in there instead of a calm Brachypelma Smithy. Let's make it a bit more thingy. We're going to do, it's going to be a big build, so we're going to do full background, the whole lot, planted build like the Predator and the Evil Dead one. So that will be going on the end there. There's another unit over there that we're going to be sorting out to move the Terminator one over there. So it'll be a lot of shifting and switching around. But stay tuned, because that one will be coming soon. It'll probably be a few parters on that one, a big tutorial build. We haven't done one a day since the Terminator one. So from me, thank you very much, Dave, again. Carl, there you go, mate. I know you're happy with them, and it's his birthday next week, so we're going out for a couple of beers next week. So that'll be fun. But so that's a bit of a come at the right time for a birthday present off Dave. Anyway, guys, I shall see you later. Don't forget to comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Ring the notification bells. It means that you get notified of upcoming videos. It doesn't cost you a penny, but it means a lot to me. Apart from that, I shall see you later.